Hello everyone, I am Komal Patel, dietitian and diabetic educator and a founder of Diet Studio. The most awaited festival of light is just around the corner and many of us have started daydreaming about the binge eating, all those scrumptious looking mithais, some namkeens and what not already. But as they say, bad follows good. So हमारी healthy वाली जो feeling है हमें वो याद दिलाती है कि भैया ज़रा संभाल के, पर मिठाई बिना दिवाली तो नहीं हो सकती. So why not reinvent the way you look at the traditional treat and give them a healthy treat? Why not find out ways which will not only help you please your health conscious but also appeal your taste buds? So let's start. Say no to sugar in your sweets. हम सब जानते हैं कि शुगर हमारे सेहत के लिए बहुत खराब है and it is also one of the most biggest contribution to those extra kgs people carry around with them. But the festival of light is also the festival of sweets. The best thing to do this Diwali would be to prepare your sweets without sugar. तो बिना शुगर वाली तो मिठाई हो ही नहीं सकती. हो सकती है क्योंकि you can give an option. You can give up on sugar this Diwali and embrace and healthy options like jaggery, honey, stevia or some coconut sugar. ये सारे healthy alternatives है. Secondly, Diwali without oily foods. Is it possible? Diwali has all those deep fried foods जो अपने कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल को बढ़ाती है. But we aren't asking you to not eat them. Just have them in moderation. खाइए लेकिन moderation में. और अगर आपको not so healthy फरसांस या नमकीन या चकली कुछ खाना ही है तो उसे दिन में खाइए, रात में नहीं. You don't want your post Diwali bliss to be ruined by overeating of those healthy oily items during the night. Walk an extra mile. Diwali is a sort of a mini vacation at home for all working peoples. पर ये vacation थोड़ी बहुत calories तो बढ़ाती है और अपने waistline को भी बढ़ाती है. People take a break from their exercise routine during this Diwali, which is a mistake. So do not give it up on your exercise routine. We would rather suggest you to walk an extra mile for your own good. यही time है जब हम बहुत free होते हैं. ज़रूरी नहीं कि चलो walk पर ही जाए. You can also play with your kids rather than sitting and relaxing the whole day. Stop binging on the leftovers. बहुत बार हम excited में इतना सारा बना देते हैं कि दिवाली खत्म होने के हफ्तों बाद भी वो फराल खत्म ही नहीं होते. But it is your job to convince yourself to retrain from binging on them anymore. You already had Diwali week and you had varieties of food during that Diwali time. So say goodbye to binge eating until the next Diwali. Put a ban on cheating for few weeks. People, you almost had cheat weeks during this Diwali. That means you do not have to celebrate the upcoming few weeks. As simple as that. कभी-कभी cheat meals are okay, पर वो distract करते हैं हमारे health goal से. So the best way to getting square one post Diwali is stop cheating until you get your goals. That means no junk, no processed stuff for you at least a few weeks after that Diwali. Hush, itna kafi hai na? But wait, there are few things that you shouldn't do as well. The first one is skipping meals. Just don't do it. Problem solve होने की जगह पे और बढ़ा लेंगे. Secondly, starting with a new diet to lose weight faster. A big no to this. Like we said always, it is going to take a bit of patience. Don't lose it. Hope छोड़ना नहीं. और हेल्दी ईटिंग ही आपके अपने सेहत को बहुत ही मेंटेन करता है. डोंट बी स्ट्रिंजेंट फ्रॉम डे वन. अपने आप को स्टबन मत कीजिए. योर बॉडी विल क्रेव फॉर स्वीट ऑयली फूड फ्रॉम दिवाली हैंगओवर. बस एक और चकली, एक और लड्डू या एक और फाफड़े से क्या होने वाला है, पर हमने बहुत खा लिया दिवाली टाइम पर. I hope these health tips help you maintain your health during this festive season. Celebrate your favorite festival with your favorite people, eating your favorite delicacies, but don't forget to keep your health in check. Stay healthy, stay beautiful, stay safe, and a very happy Diwali to one and all.